The Meghalaya State Police Department has inducted 22 new constables who have completed their training at the 4th MLP IRBN Training Centre in Sopian. The group consists of 17 recruit constables and 5 followers. This was marked by the passing out parade of the 9th batch of trainees held at the training centre at Sopian in West Khasi Hills district. The event was witnessed by Deputy Inspector General of Police TAP Meghalaya CA Lingwa, District Deputy Commissioner Garrett L.S. Dykes, Commandant of the 4th MLP Battalion BD Marak.
I will congratulate the Commandant, the Assistant Commandant training, though I heard that Moksha is wearing a lot of hats, but still one of the hats, which is the training hat, he has done a very successful job. I also congratulate the trainees who have excelled themselves in these 9 months of rigorous training.
A public awareness meeting on adolescent health